you look at where it says 40, where $3.82 is highlighted, that is a take profit order, which with one touch of a button is calculated at a 40% return from your initial purchase price. This functionality allows you to really take advantage of fast-moving options where you might want to quickly calculate if you're risking 20% to make 40%, or if you're risking $1 to make $2, you can quickly analyze on an intraday basis and execute orders and put orders out into the market very quickly, geared towards creating liquidity. We've also put in several other hotkey buttons, such as offer, which you hit that, you will join the offer. Bid, you will put your price out at the bid, or bid plus 5, where you would sell your position at the bid price plus 5-cent increment. All the functionality in these buttons is programmable so that you can tailor-make the form to really give yourself an edge in getting good execution and fills in the option marketplace. So like I said earlier, this is all geared towards taking advantage of the changing marketplace where you have different cost structures at different exchanges. You have opportunities to create liquidity and receive rebates. And most importantly, you have the opportunity to get better fills at better prices to reduce your trading expense. For example, Reed showed some pricing points earlier for both the Philly and the NASDAQ options exchanges. Well, as you can see, both of those exchanges, which we trade on quite frequently, have different cost structures. So we've set up our technology to auto-execute on the exchange that has the best pricing for that particular trade. So this functionality really allows us to utilize the computer to route our orders to the destination that not only has the best price, but the best fee structure. And if anyone is interested in learning more about this technology, please feel free to contact us. We are, right now, this technology is in the form of an overlay where it can be used in conjunction with whatever front end that you are currently using. It's an extension of your current software, your current front end, and we are enabling traders around the world to be able to take advantage of our expertise and trade options more efficiently and more profitably. If you go to the next slide, I'd like to take a minute to talk about some of the tools that are available at the NASDAQtrader.com website. One tool that we will use is called the Options Market Book Viewer. This is a free tool that anyone can access where you get real-time data that shows the depth of market and the current pricing of options traded on the NASDAQ Options Exchange. It's a great tool where you can see the depth of market at the NASDAQ, which can give you clues to where there's interest as far as buying or selling on a certain option contract. And again, you can go to the NASDAQtrader.com to get more information about that. There are also other tools available on the NASDAQ site. One of the things that I really like about the NASDAQ and the Philly option exchanges is that they're very tech-friendly, and that, as you can see at Trading RM, we're trying to develop technology that helps our traders be more efficient and make more money in the marketplace. Well, the NASDAQ is doing that for their market participants as well. And they've done first is they've created something they call Max Show, reserved quantity. What this does is it's a functionality that allows you to put orders on the order book, but not show your full hand. You don't have to show the marketplace the exact size that you're looking to trade, which keeps the trade more secretive and gives you an edge and an advantage. Another thing that they've come up with, which is great, is called price improvement. So on option contracts that are not trading in penny increments, where On the NASDAQ exchange, you are allowed to put orders out on these options at increments other than nickel and dime. By doing this, if someone goes to deal on those prices, if you were to go and buy an offer on one of these nickel increment options, and someone is offering on the NASDAQ exchange a penny under that offer, they will pass on the price improvement to you. So again, they're really working towards helping investors and traders get the best prices, which is nice to have the exchange on your side. Next, we're going to talk about a handful of tools that we use at Trading RM to help us scan the marketplace, to help make good decisions, and be on top of all the information out there, which is, as you all know, an immense amount of information and data. What'sTrading.com is a great place to start. It has in-depth analysis of the options marketplace. It has all kinds of commentary relating to what's going on right now in the options marketplace, flow based on trades that they're seeing in the marketplace, and all types of indicators. And it's definitely a tool that we enjoy using at Trading RM. The next tool we use is Option Alert. There's a couple option scanning tools on the marketplace that we have tested, and Option Alert is one of the better ones. It's a real-time streaming database of information that you can query off of to find relevant information about any options contract that is traded in real time. It's very robust. As you can see on the screen, there's many different categories of information that you can search for. Again, this is called Option Alert, and if you like more information, you can visit our website or look at their website. As this current screen shows, you can get market color. It shows trades where there are certain sweeps, or if it was a trade that's an entering option position or closing option position, what exchange it traded on, what the volatility was, what the current underlying price is. So there's tons of relevant data that you can get and help you with your investing and trading decisions based off of this system. LiveVol is another system that we use, and this is probably the best user interface of any option product that I've seen. There is also an immense amount of data that you can look into. The great part about LiveVol is that not only will it show trades done, but it also shows markets. So you can look and scan based off of not just trades that have executed, but also off of certain nuances within the marketplace as far as bid-alpha spreads and size and different indicators. It also allows you to see intraday volatility moves via charts, which is a great feature that really lets you stay on top of not only the longer-term volatility, but intraday moves. And the last thing that I'll highlight within this program, among the many ways that we use it, is you can see real-time trades occurring through all options, and it's very easy to use and to utilize the technology in a way that helps us find great trading opportunities. Again, livevol.com is where you can go for it. Trading RM, in addition to creating the option box trading form that we talked about earlier, has a product called Trading RM Real Time, where we invite traders from around the world to be a part of our virtual trading world. And our experienced traders at Trading RM will share every entry and exit along with pertinent market information that we look and use to make consistent trading decisions. And we've created this community that's done through a chat technology that you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, where all of the information is put in real time, and it allows our user base to get a feel for more than what they're seeing at their own desk. A couple other highlights that I'd like to talk about real quick about Trading RM is that we offer training for individual traders, consulting to trading groups. We specialize in developing, as we said, custom technology solutions for our own use and as well as clients. And we are more than happy to help and mentor and help traders reach their potential in any way we can. We also have an option trading school where we currently have 5 seminars where you can learn everything from the basics of options to advanced options strategy. Please visit our website if you're interested in learning more about these products. And the great thing about all these products is that they're geared towards not only teaching you in your house, but giving traders the opportunity to work with us, whether it's through the virtual chat room or actually on our trading desk, to experience and learn from professionals in real time. So we're really excited about being able to offer these services for our clients. All right, and I will turn it back to Reed and Mitchell.
Mitchell, you want to just kind of give a little background on Lex Securities and the ROX front end?
Thank you very much, Reed, Larry. Appreciate it. Lex Securities, for all of you, we are in the business of executing and clearing in equities and options. And our platform is ROX, which we have gained popularity over the past 15 years. And they're on many desks worldwide. We have pairs trading, basket trading, and as Larry and Reed did show you on their webinar, is that what you saw was our point and click for both stock and option execution. For the trader who is interested in clearing through us, we are able to monitor your portfolio real time, and we do offer portfolio margining. So if anybody, you have my number on that screen, and any questions, I look forward to them. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Mitchell. Now we'll just turn over to a Q&A. Hope you learned something from the presentation, and just want to kind of open it up to questions, and whether you type them in or use your telephone, either way is fine.
We have one question that was asked on via chat, and it's geared towards the NASDAQ participants. It's, how do you see the option market moving in the near future as far as different expirations? Dr. Mike, would you be able to address that?
This is Chuck. That's a good question. So I think you mentioned earlier the weekly expirations were recently added. And I think the exchanges are going to continue to look at different expiration timeframes at work. And in fact, one of the options exchanges is looking at dailies. Whether or not that would be successful, that's, we're kind of, from the NASDAQ perspective, we're in a sort of wait and see mode to see if that's really viable. All the exchanges, I think, are looking also at whether or not we need other months in the expiration cycle. Currently, options are set up on a quarterly expiration, every 3 month expiration cycle. So January's, if you're in the January cycle, you'll expire in January, April, and so on. And so there'll be sort of gaps in expirations throughout the year. So the exchanges are looking at whether or not it'd be worth having, every month in the year, or maybe the first 6 months in the year have expirations in them. So definitely something to watch going forward.
Okay, there's another question asking about the different fee